The award-winning and innovative POC-MAST provides a point of connection that links new infrastructure to existing overhead line towers on the electricity distribution network. It's an industry-leading solution, specifically designed to meet the technical advancements of the generation, load and battery storage markets. The main advantage of the POC-MAST over a traditional solution is that there's no requirement to cable back to the nearest substation or build a new tower. Plus, it's much safer to construct than traditional tower methods, as it's put together in sections at ground level. The sections are connected horizontally before being raised to vertical using a hydraulic ram. This method of construction greatly reduces the time spent working at height and doesn't require any lifting operations with large cranes. It's also less costly than traditional connection methods, as it avoids the need for a new tower, associated temporary diversion and access accommodation works for heavy plant. It's good for the network, as circuit outage times for installation are greatly reduced. Most of the work can be undertaken while the overhead line remains live, with only the final connection requiring a single outage for a matter of hours. There's minimal environmental and visual impact, as the POC-MAST uses screw anchor foundations, avoiding the need for deep excavations and large volumes of concrete. There's also less visual impact because a new tower is not required. It's also quick to complete, taking less than 20 weeks from concept to completion, including construction. The POC-MAST is low maintenance, as it's fully galvanised with a design life of 40 years. It's manufactured in line with the quality assurance requirements for new overhead line structures.
Since winning the Construction News Specialist Award for Business Innovation of the Year, we've invested considerably in developing the POC-MAST for quicker connections on projects up to 132 kV. The product has been designed in the UK to the latest European overhead line design standards, and a range of POC-MAST has been developed to enable connection to the most widely used 132 kV tension and suspension towers on the UK distribution network.
As part of the DNO approval process, full-scale testing of the POC-MAST was undertaken at the UCOMSA test centre in Spain. Representatives from UK Power Networks, Northern Power Grid and SSEN witnessed the tallest 132 kV POC-MAST, which is 29 metres in height, being successfully tested. The POC-MAST was tested under the worst-case environmental and short-circuit loading conditions, as well as a serviceability load case, to confirm deflection under which electrical clearances must be maintained. A member of the SSEN asset management team who witnessed the testing commented, "The main difference I see this engineering solution making to the renewables grid connection is flexibility. For example, flexibility to connect generators using a relatively lighter structure at a fraction of the time needed to connect using existing solutions. This really helps DNOs optimise the utilisation of their infrastructure." The POC-MAST is now being installed at a number of sites across the UK, with developers, funders and investors taking advantage of its benefits over traditional tower connections. It's much safer, cost-effective, good for the network, has minimal environmental and visual impact, and projects are quick to complete. Please contact us for further information.